Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you 4 easy nail art designs for beginners using a dotting tool. Of course, you can always use a bobby pin. As always, start with a base coat. When your base coat is dry, add the first coat of whatever polish you choose. Today I'm using China Glaze Cons-Ulta, my Manicurist. Add as many coats necessary to make your polish opaque. Once the base color is dry, find some dotting tools or a bobby pin. You can buy these dotting tools at Amazon, and I think that they are very useful, especially if you want to get into nail art. Also grab something to use as a palette. This can include anything from a plastic lid, plastic spoon, or a piece of foil. Design number 1 is regular polka dots. Start by making a row of dots down the center of your nail, starting from the cuticle down to the bottom. Make sure that these are evenly spaced. Once you've done that, add dots in between the original dots on both sides of the nail. Repeat this step until the nail is filled. The next design is easy flower nail art. Start by making bunches of 5 dots along the nail. These will be your flowers. You can add a white dot in the center to make the yellow centers pop. Repeat this several times across the nail. You can even add half flowers off the nail to make it look like a continuing pattern. Next, add yellow dots to the centers of each flower. The third design is a swirl polka dot design. Start by making polka dots with your first color in a circular shape. Next, take your second color and make a similar shape but inside of the other dots. If you don't like how one of your dots look, just cover it up with the original base color and add another dot on top. Good as new. The last design is diagonal dots. Start by making a line across the nail. Next, take your second color and make dots in between the dots. Do this on both sides and repeat the same steps until the whole nail is covered. And lastly, add a top coat so that your nails last as long as possible. When you're finished, clean up with a small brush and nail polish remover. And that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.